Hi guys, so here's another video lesson para mas maintindihan niyo ang mga topics sa mathematics. So our topic for today is solving quadratic equations by factoring. So solving quadratic equations by factoring. So before that, let's find the factors of the following. Let's review first. So I have here 5 questions: x squared minus 4, x squared plus 10x plus 21, y squared minus 10y plus 25, x squared plus 5x minus 6, and z squared minus 2z. So try factoring them. So in number 1, x squared minus 4, we can factor this as x plus 2 times x minus 1. And then number 2, if we are going to factor this, the result will be x plus 7 times the quantity x plus 3. And number 3, the factors are the quantity y minus 5 times y minus 5 or y minus 5 raised to 2. In number 4, we have x plus 6 times the quantity x minus 1. And then number 5, if we are going to factor z squared minus 2z, the result would be z times the quantity z minus 2. Factoring as a method of solving quadratic equation is based on zero product property. To use this property, you need to write one side of the quadratic equation as product of two linear factors. Then, equate each linear equation or linear factors to 0 to find the solutions. Note that before you look for the linear factors, the quadratic equation must be in its standard form ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. So ano ibig sabihin nun? So let's have an example. Find the solution of x squared plus 9x equals to negative 8 by factoring. So since x squared plus 9x equals to negative 8 ay hindi siya naka-standard form dahil ang standard form dapat ay x squared plus 9x and then the constant term equals to 0. Lagi dapat siyang naka-equate sa 0. So, ang first step natin dito is to make it into a standard form. So, we have to add 8 sa left and right side ng equation para makancel natin ng 8. Sa right side, that gives us x squared plus 9x plus 8 equals to 0. Now that it is on its standard form, pwede na natin siyang i-factor. So, using yung FOIL method, the factors of x squared plus 9x plus 8 is equals to x plus 8 times x plus 1. So, yung reverse ng FOIL, ito yung sagot natin. So, kailangan natin siyang i-equate sa 0. So, nag-start tayo sa x plus 8 equals to 0. Yun ang ibig sabihin ng equate sa 0. Magiging x plus 8 equals to 0 at x plus 1 equals to 0. So, x plus 8 equals to 0 dahil may 8 na katabi yung x. So, subtract 8 on both sides ng equation para makancel natin yung 8 na katabi ng x. And then, magbibigay siya ng x is equals to negative 8. So, tapos na tayo sa x plus 8. Yung x plus 1 naman ang sagutan natin. X plus 1 is equals to 0. Dahil positive 1 ang kasama ng x, magma-minus naman tayo ng 1 para makancel natin yung 1 and magiging sagot natin is x is equals to negative 1. So, yun yung ating mga sagot sa number 1 equation. Let's try again. 9x squared minus 4 by factoring. So, 9x squared minus 4 is equals to 0. So, ang factors niyan is 3x minus 2 and 3x plus 2. So, now that may factor na siya, pwede natin siya equate sa 0. So, equate natin sa 3x minus 2 muna. Add tayo ng 2 dahil may katabi yung x na 2 or yung constant term is 2. So, para makancel natin si 2, ang matitira is 3x is equals to 2. Divide natin sila sa 3 para makancel natin yung 3. Ang sagot natin is x is equals to 2/3. Tapos na tayo sa 3x minus 2. Yung 3x plus 2 naman. So, 3x plus 2, positive 2 yung nandun. Ang gagawin naman natin is magma-minus tayo ng 2 para makancel ulit natin yung 2. And then, matitira na lang ay 3x is equals to negative 2. Divide ulit natin sila sa 3 para makancel natin yung 3. Ang sagot natin is x is equals to negative 2/3. Number 3. Solve 2x squared plus 3x is equals to 0 by factoring. So 2x squared plus 3x is equals to 0 is in its standard form na. Pero wala siyang constant term. So kailangan natin siya i-factor. So hindi siya yung trinomial. So ang gagawin natin dyan is to find yung common sa kanila. So ang common sa kanila is yung x. Parehas silang may x. So ilabas natin yung x and then ang matitira is 2x plus 3. Now, may factors na tayo, pwede na natin siyang equate sa 0. So, yung una natin is yung x. So, that is x is equals to 0. Now, may sagot na tayo. Yung isa naman, 2x plus 3. So, 2x plus 3 is equals to 0. Subtract tayo ng 3 para makancel natin yung 3. At ang matitira is 2x is equals to negative 3. Divide natin siya sa 2 para makancel natin yung 2. Ang magiging sagot natin is x is equals to negative 3 halves. Let's try answering now again. Solve x squared plus 3x plus 2 by factoring. So, naka-standard form na siya. So, i-factor na natin siya. Ang factors ng x squared plus 3x plus 2 is x plus 1 and x plus 2. So, sagutan muna natin x plus 1. Subtract tayo. Mamaya na yung x plus 2. So, subtract tayo muna ng negative 1 para makancel natin yung 1. And magiging sagot natin is x is equals to negative 1. Try natin sagutan naman yung x plus 2. So, ang isasubtract natin ay negative 2 para makancel natin yung 2. Ang matitira is x is equals to negative 2. Ganun lang po kadali ang pagsasolve ng quadratic equation by. So, I have here again 5 items and try answering them para masanay kayo. Practice lang ng practice para makapag-solve kayo ng quadratic equation using the factoring method. So, that's all. Thank you.